Hi everyone, I'm Christopher Gilmore with the Fairfax County Park Authority. We are excited to welcome you back this summer for the 2021 camp season. If you were with us for spring break camp, you know safety is our #1 priority. That and having fun. For those of you who weren't able to join us for spring break, here are some ways we are keeping everyone safe when coming to camp. First, we've implemented daily health checks upon arrival for both campers and staff. You may be asked to confirm your child has not had symptoms of COVID-19 by answering specific questions. You may notice the procedures for arrival and departure may look a little bit different. To limit sharing of pens and such, staff may be doing the sign-in and out instead of the parent or guardian. Although this may be the case, the parent or guardian is still required to escort children to camp. Depending on the number of camps, the site setup and staffing, some locations may implement a drive-up check-in for arrivals. A few days before each camp week, staff will send an email to parents with details for arrivals and departures. You will also notice signs throughout our facilities and parks explaining new practices and asking everyone to do their part to stop the spread of illness. The first one is simple. If you have a fever, a cough, or shortness of breath not related to a pre-existing condition, stay home until you are well. In addition, you may notice more hand washing or hand sanitizer stations available for use. During the camp day, staff are ensuring campers are washing hands before and after eating, after coughing, sneezing, or using the restroom, after moving through high-touch areas, and after using equipment and supplies that may be shared. You may notice your children will be with the same group of campers and staff the entire week. By maintaining the same groups or cohorts for each camp duration, we mitigate the spread of COVID-19. From an operational standpoint, cleaning and sanitizing protocols have been enhanced for the camp season. This includes cleaning and disinfecting camp areas before children arrive, between uses, after campers depart, and additional cleaning and wipe down of high-touch surfaces, supplies, and equipment throughout the day. It is also our goal to provide campers with as much outdoor time as possible. For some camps, this means taking several fresh air breaks throughout the day. With such a fluid situation, the 2021 camp season is sure to be one like no other. However, the Park Authority is prepared to welcome staff and campers back for a fun-filled summer. We look forward to seeing you soon.